Number 5. Number 4.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to Pico. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. Pico is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. Pico lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you? Dear Nature, welcome home.
Number 3.
We're going to introduce a kit that makes artificial intelligence education fun and accessible. Mark. Make a robot kit. To learn more about Mark, you can visit our coursework platform in your browser. There are plenty of guides here to help you create fun projects. You could add a grabber attachment and feed your pet a treat. Mark's pan-tilt camera has a large viewing range, and we pre-trained a model for common domestic animals, so Mark can find and recognize your pet. Additionally, we have added a harmless slingshot attachment. You can find a target to aim at. Oh, she's not impressed that he aimed the slingshot near the cat. Our Mark robot is designed to be educational. Mark's abundant range of supporting courses enable educators to impart understanding of complex technologies which are very relevant today. Through graphical programming, students can quickly develop enhanced understanding of the principles behind autonomous driving and automated logistics. Of course, Mark is not limited to graphical programming. In the MicroPython IDE, Mark can use trained models made by you or the community to recognize any object you choose. We also invite experienced makers to join the community to create interesting projects which can eventually find their way into the classroom. As further programming skills are acquired, students can reproduce these projects or even improve them. When you've developed superior skills, you can compete with your friends. Look, she won! So, this is our Mark, adding fun into education. What are you waiting for?
Number 2.
Lens is a smart, easy-to-use artificial intelligence vision sensor designed to bring a new way for makers to build their projects. It comes with multiple functions such as face recognition, object tracking, object recognition, line tracking, color recognition, and tag recognition. By a simple click, Husky Lens will start learning things, just like this. To play with it, the application of Husky Lens is truly versatile, from smart robots to interactive art projects. The object tracking mode of Husky Lens is innovative. The machine learning technology enables Husky Lens to learn custom-defined pattern of finger gesture and recognize it. Creating a gesture interactive art projects has never been so easy with Husky Lens. Put Husky Lens into a robotic dog and switch on the face recognition. New face can be learned and recognized. A unique pet is now alive. The color recognition makes the scenario even more fun. Learns a new ball and follow it. The interaction to the robotic toy has been brought to a new level. Husky Lens is more than just a color picker. Up to 10 different objects can be detected and recognized. With few clicks, the object is learned and selected. Click to switch on the line tracking mode. Husky Lens is now learning new lines and follow them. Tag recognition provides new possibility for applications, making an autonomous robot has never been so easy now. Husky Lens is engineered with a built-in UART interface which makes it compatible with most controllers such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Latte Panda, and Microbit. Husky Lens is extremely easy to be integrated into any projects and brings the intelligence of projects to a new level. Click, learn, and play.
Number 1.
Meet Kiki, your robot sidekick. She's a little shy to begin with, but cutting-edge robotics and AI technology lets Kiki evolve, depending on your interactions. Kiki misses you when you're gone. Or not. Because just like you, every Kiki is unique. She can be a little protective, especially around strangers. But over time, she will warm up to them. Kiki gets smarter every day, and you can even teach her new tricks. Kiki's always on your team. She understands how you're feeling, and will try her best to cheer you up. Different Kikis learn from each other. Bring them together to watch the magic happen. After a long day, Kiki's there to welcome you home, because you're special to her. You've always dreamed of having a robot companion. Now Kiki is here for you. Bring your dream robot to reality.